Hi everyone, it's me again, Sonia from OTJ Naturals, and today I'll show you how I made my onion juice for our 14 days egg roll challenge. So we all know the benefits of onion juice. I shared this on my Instagram page that onions has lots of sulfur, therefore provide sulfur to support hair growth, to strengthen the hair, to increase the hair thickness, and also it prevents hair loss. Though I haven't used this myself, this is the first time I'm going to be trying this, and I'm really excited knowing that onion on its own has lots of benefits. So I used 6 onions and I blended everything together with avocado oil and Jasmin oil. And also we soaked our fenugreek for like a month, so I just took some of the fenugreek oil and then I blended everything together, filtered out the lump twice. And we all know when you're doing this you cry, so get ready to cry. And yes, and after that I added, like, because it smelled so the smell was so strong, so I added like different essential oils to kill the smell. Though blending with Jasmin and avocado oil was really helpful, at least it helped to regulate the smell. And just to kill the smell completely, I had to like add different essential oils, even though I would have loved to use other ones that have like stronger smell. I still think this one was okay. So I added peppermint 50 drops, and then I went ahead to add kelp. Kelp is an herb that is also that has protein and it's really good for hair. It helps to restore moisture. So I added like not literally half teaspoon, just quarter to half teaspoon. And I also added horsetail. Then I added 10 drops of tea tree oil, 40 drops of lemongrass, and then peppermint is the best scent. It smells like mint, but sweet mint, and it's really helps to like bring out the its own smell, therefore killing the onion smell. So I added up to 50 drops, also 50 to 60 drops of spearmint. You can also add castor oil, and since the challenge is starting on Monday, I didn't really add the preservative to this because we're going to be using it every day, but I would advise you store it in the fridge. If you're using it every day, you store it in the fridge. And yes, that's it. So I'm looking forward to all the amazing things that this recipe carries. So thank you so much, and yeah, happy challenge. Looking forward to Monday. Thank you. Bye.